And we are back with another one. To be honest, I did not expect to make this video so soon, but today we are going to be getting these wheels remounted with brand new tires. So we got to drive an hour, of course, with traffic. So we're already late, so let's go ahead and get to it. I should have got gloves, but we don't have time for that. Now here's the thing. This one's going to be a little bit more tricky. Maybe not. Oh snap, it actually goes in there perfectly. Nice. And we didn't mark anything. Bravo. We have arrived. So this is located in SD. I found these tires for a still price. I didn't know I was talking to a shop until like a couple messages in, but wow, let's see what they can do for us. All right, let's go ahead and wheel this in. This is a interesting shop. They have a lot of old schools. They got GT500, GT350. So this is what they look like brand new. Yeah. I couldn't tell because these are so blown out, you know. Cool though. So the thing with these wheels is they do have a tire sensor in it, but I don't know if it's gonna work since it came off of a Mustang. Obviously we have a Nissan, so I might have to come back and get like new sensors installed. But for the time being, it'll work. But yeah, tires look good. I had no idea a place like this existed. We have a whole bunch of old schools. We even have new schools. So again, we have a GT350, and then we got a GT500. This place is called JBA, I don't know, Speed Shop, because they have a wheel division right over here, but then right across is like I'm assuming the performance portion of it. They do engine machining, dyno tuning, performance installations, custom exhaust, fabrication, welding, and race car preparations. That's pretty cool. It's good to know that this place exists, but of course we're in SoCal, so what do you expect, right? All right, we are finished. All right, chill. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are all set. So, as I stated in the last video, I think we are gonna need some spacers for these wheels, because tomorrow we are test fitting these wheels on the car with 20 millimeter spacers. So depending on how that fits, I'll know what spacers to get. Because who knows? Maybe on a 20 mil, like I'll like the fitment. If not, then maybe I'll go up to 30 mil. We'll see tomorrow. But let's go ahead and head home. So since we are closer to the border, you see a lot of like Mexico license plates, and so you see a lot of cars that aren't even for sale over here. Like for example, this is a Volkswagen Caddy. I don't think they sell that over here. I could be wrong though, but I'm pretty sure they don't. And we are back like we never left. These wheels look good now. Now they got tires on them, fresh new meat, and they're mounted the way that they're supposed to be mounted. I just cannot wait to get these on. So I was actually thinking about it on my way home, and I think I am going to powder coat these. The only issue that I have is, actually I think that's metal. Yeah, I think that's metal. So I should be able to powder coat this, because when it's plastic, obviously you can't put it in like a oven because it's gonna melt. But I'm gonna powder coat these wheels. I was just gonna say the color, but I'm gonna hold off on telling you guys the color. But I'm not only gonna powder coat these two wheels, but I'm gonna powder coat the front wheels, which are technically gonna be the rear wheels. So all the wheels are gonna be one color, and it is gonna look so freaking good, dude. I can just see it in my head already. So I think we're gonna do that eventually. And I don't know, it's gonna look so fire, but I'm looking forward to mounting these on the car because I want to see how it looks. But I'm waiting till tomorrow, so the next video we'll get these mounted on the car, because we have one thing that's coming tomorrow that's going to let us know fitment wise where we stand. So that's pretty much what I'm waiting for. So the next video you guys will see these mounted on the car. So I want to polish these wheels. They look like they can take the polish that I use on the ST, because it looks like they're the same finish, I would say. It's weird because this looks like a bigger wheel than the ST wheel, but it's actually smaller. The ST is 18, these are 17s. But for some reason, it looks like these lips are more dramatic. I don't know why, it's kind of weird. I don't know if it's because the tires giving it that illusion. But yeah, I definitely want to polish these for the time being. And I'm interested in seeing about this TPMS sensor. I doubt that it's going to work because I'm pretty sure TPMS sensors are vehicle specific. But we'll see. Let's cross our fingers. Hopefully it works. I doubt it does, but you know, always gotta leave room for hope. In other news, I need to get some shelves in this garage because I want to get some of the stuff off of the floor. Like, this is trash. I think Drew said he wanted that for when he does like oil changes and stuff. These cans, they can go up. Like, some of the stuff just like can get off of the ground. So I think I want to like put some shelves right here because if you guys don't know, if you saw it in the previous videos, I don't know how long ago it was, like maybe a month ago, we installed this light. So it actually really comes in clutch. I forget I have it sometimes, hence why I don't use it. But you see how like clutch it comes in and makes everything that much brighter. I actually want to put another one like right here, but that's of course for another day. But I need to get some shelves in here like ASAP so I can get some of the stuff off of the ground. So again, make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video because we will be putting the wheels on, and I'm actually really excited. I cannot wait for that. Again, I'm sure there's going to be some modifications that are going to have to be had because we're going to be putting the 10.5s in the front, and those are, sorry, it's my my little bad human child dog over here acting up, just in case you were wondering what that noise was. I don't know why she does this. It kind of, I don't know what to think because like she already has long hair, and like she does that and just makes her more nappy. But I'm going to give you a sneak peek into next week's video. Now, it's just going to be a sneak peek, just in case you guys weren't excited enough, just like I am. Are you ready for this? This is all you get to see next week.
Whoa! Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah. Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic got to say, I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all cap like.